I started my first side hustle with $0 and made $400 in the first month. Here are 5 options anyone can start this weekend. 1. Dog walking/pet sitting. Rover app, $15 to $25 per hour, 0 startup cost. 2. TaskRabbit gigs, furniture assembly, moving help, $30 to $75 per hour. Both are in demand. Apps handle the clients. You show up and earn. 3. Freelance writing. Upwork/Fiverr, $15 to $100 per article for beginners. 4. Virtual assistant, email, scheduling, data entry, $15 to $25 per hour. Start with one platform, build 5-star reviews, raise rates after 10 gigs. 5. Facebook Marketplace/eBay flipping, buy garage sale items, resell. Average flipper earns $200 to $600 per month part-time. Categories that sell: electronics, tools, furniture, kids items. Don't research all 5. Pick the one that fits your schedule. Spend 30 minutes setting up the profile today. First dollar earned changes your mindset permanently. Track your side hustle income with my free tracker at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.